Greetings, I am Flatcap Man. Welcome back to Little Nightmares 2. I don't have it on right now because I just don't think it looks good right now. I'm gonna go find my other one, but also a flat cap just doesn't look good unless you have shorter hair. So I'm probably gonna get a haircut soon anyway. But I'm just gonna rock the normal hair anyway. So last time we left off, we are at a hospital. We dealt with some Weeping Angel style mannequins, and we with the doctor. So we're gonna go and get into this. Also, I just realized, Six hasn't had to eat anything yet, so I hope she doesn't have to. Oh, I can't. Okay, so there's the battery, and I need to get to it. Okay, what the fuck is that? Oh, I missed my timer. Alright. Am I gonna shut off the power? I don't know why I want to, but alright. Okay. I don't know what to do for. Oh. Come on. Okay. Get the battery. Oh, for fuck's sake, Mono. Six, can you grab? Alright, fine, whatever. Let's get the hell out. Get the hell out of here. Good job. Why isn't it opening? Oh fuck. Run. Oh, fuck you. Was that supposed to happen? I didn't think so. No, don't grab her hand. Okay. Let it. It was just how it hit the black immediately. Okay. Go. Yeah. He crouches and shit. Oh, I'm supposed to probably jump. He has like a slower slide than 6 does. Alright. Sprint? I don't know why he wasn't sprinting. He wasn't sprinting. He wasn't at all. Okay. Sprint, Mono. Go. But don't just crouch. Okay. What? No, fuck you. I was already in enough in the position. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay, so don't hold the crouch button. Okay, that was a bad idea. When he like slides, he like stops, and like when she slides, she like immediately gets back up. When he has to like crouch back up and then get up, so he has like a delay on his slide. I guess it makes sense. She's like more prone to it than I am. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, see, like he just keeps crouching. Jump. This way, go this way. Yes. What the fuck are you doing? Oh my god. Get the fuck out there. I feel like he does not sprint as fast as he should. What the fuck are you do? Oh my god. I fucking hate these keyboard controls. There's like something off about them. It feels like they don't really, like, the keyboard is definitely like they don't really care about the keyboard controls at all. Yo, fucker. I don't remember his sprint feeling this slow. This motherfucker. Run. Oh. Come on, go. Shut the cage. fucking chill by the fire. Man, she is dark. Okay, well, Jesus, that was a roller coaster. I feel like Little Nightmares games always have like a little bit of like jank shadow controls. They're like not perfect. Alright, well, you do that. I'm gonna get this open. Oh yeah, 6. Oh. Oh, an elevator. I was like, what's that calling? Hospitalized. Now this is like where I'm like really, I mean like I never got to that part specifically, but like now I legit don't know like what's the next like thing to expect. I hear a TV. Wait. Like I knew there was a schoolhouse, I knew there was a hospital, but now is like real like I don't know what's next. Okay, just making sure. I didn't want to like miss anything. Banana. Yes. Up here. That's what I'm saying. There's like shit tons of like broken TVs. I think they like disintegrated everyone or something. The fuck is that? Cause like this feels like feels like it could have been like a normal like city or world. Are those just bodies? Like before all this happened. But like in the mall, like that was like all monsters. So like did monsters take over? Like there's like some like TVs, because you know what I mean, like this feels like a real like just like kind of normal world, like in this city wise. That's what I'm trying to say is like this feels kind of like more like normal, like a normal like town, or like huh. Well, should just kick him. I love the environments in this game. Hey. There's a TV in there. They're like attracted to it. Yeah, I'm sure leaks are the biggest of your worries. I like that, like, when they... Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. I like when, like, they know they're, like, in some sort of danger. Like, they're way quieter when calling each other. Like, when they know, like, they're pretty much safe. They're like, yeah. That's a safety hazard. Who's broadcasting TV? You know what I'm saying? Like, this, like, feels like more, like, somewhat normal. Like, than... There's like, I don't know if it's like an apocalypse, but there's like some shit going on. Do we jump? Okay. Okay. Hey. Oh. Can we climb? Wait. Oh. Hold on. Oh, we're supposed to like time it. Got it. Understood. I was like, that looks like an area you can go into. Unless this is a secret area. Although the elevator did show it had a lock on it. I just want to make sure like this wasn't... Oh, okay. So I need to get her out of there. Okay. And I'm guessing... Well, I can't even pull that lever. Don't worry, 6. I'll get you out of there. If I can find a key. This feels like a hiding spot. Okay. Hey! That wasn't hard. And grab it. There we go. Can I fucking use it? There we go. Hey, back together once again. So now what? It's a real question. I like, what now? I mean, I got her out, but like, is there something? Oh, maybe there. Oh, wait, this. 6. Six. Thank you. What did that do? Am I missing something? Ow. I don't know what what did that do? It didn't even make a sound, really. I guess we just go back down the elevator. Can I pick this up? Nah. Alright. What is your deal? 6. I'm gonna eat you. Oh, there's also that room. Wait, but we came from that. 6, can you like help? What are we supposed to do? Okay, wait. So, hold on. Wait a minute. Can you... I'm really confused. I got an idea for something. Because, like, she won't come back with me in the elevator. So, which tells me that, like, we're not supposed to leave. Oh, I recognize that. Wait, I know what to do. It makes sense now. It does. I'm fairly certain I know what to do. Because then we can use that to like go up, and then yeah, we can call the elevator. Figured it out, I think. I'm pretty sure I did. No wonder it wasn't doing anything. We'd already called the elevator. There we go. Yep. We're gonna ride it. Get ready. Yeah. Oh, we can move that, I think. I'm gonna check this place first. Just because I'm curious. I'm a little curious George. Oh, what's up, man? I'm pretty sure I've missed like a lot of those. I just don't know. Also, I haven't seen any gnomes at all either. So maybe they're like only... I'm guessing they're like only... Like, what's it? They're only inhabitants to like the maw? Because that's like what the girl makes the children into with the little gnomes. That was cool. Why do I thought you could climb this? What? What about the perspective? Oh! There's a little, like, thing up there. So that's where we're supposed to go to. Up we at 'em. Up we go. Alright, well, I guess not then. Can we climb this then? Ah. Interesting. Heh. Little hanger. I'm guessing bring it close so she can grab onto it. Oh. Come on, you can do better than that. Alright. All's well that ends well. We yeah. Yeah, that thing crap. Nada. Thing down. Yep. Those are fire escapes, right? Isn't that what like the whole like ladder rail system? Because I've seen them on buildings before. I'm pretty sure it is just a fire escape. These kids are agile. Granted, the only other kids I've ever seen like multiples besides like the main characters were all in the Maw. So maybe they get like shipped away? No. Like stone moving. I mean, we saw the building moving before, so maybe the building's just like turning. Feels like a hidey hole. There's no doorknob. Um. What? Oh, okay. I was like, what the fuck did we... I didn't see a doorknob, so I wasn't sure what to do. Oh, fuck. Oh, go. Holy shit. 6! Oh. Oh, shit. 6 looks like she died. Oh! Fuck! 6! Uh-oh. No. My flashlight died. Fuck. Okay, oh, thank God she's alive. Come on! Fuck it. That raincoat is lucky as hell. Whew. Friendship. Man, I just got a flashlight and now I lost it. Oh look, a little silhouette of a man. Oh, how sad he looks. Mr. Topham Haddam. Whee! All the mail. There's mailmen in this universe. That's what I'm saying. Like, if there's like shit like this, TV time. Time to go to my favorite channel. Time to use it right and rain. Three times. Every time they increase by 1. Like every time you use it. It's the door. You always see this eye too, and I thought it was like the symbol for the Maw, but apparently it's just like, unless like the Maw is where it originates and then like it's just passed around. There's some like government somewhat system here. I'm faster now. Oh. Hello. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Well. Oh, that's the thing, guy. We saw, like... Oh, fuck. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. We gotta shut it off. Oh, fuck. Ah, no! Shit! Okay. Heidi ho, neighborino! Oh, hate that. Hate that! Leave me the fuck alone! Oh, I'm slow. Oh, he's like normal too. That's what the cat. Oh, weirdly enough, that's what's creepy about him. 6. 6, no! Oh, shit. What the fuck? 6. What the fuck? Did he like take her body but not her soul? Or the opposite? What the fuck? So he's like a normal dude, which is weirdly unsettling, the fact that he's like normal proportions and not like a monster. Oh. What the fuck? Should make sure I'm recording. Yes, sir, I am. Just make double. I gotta make sure I'm not losing this shit. Okay, so now what? There's like a thin man. I recognize that though. That like that room with like the TV and him when he was coming through. That was at the ending of the first game, or like the DLC maybe. Like that was like you saw like a faint thing of a figure, and that's what it was. Can I go through here? No. No, fuck. Oh. Come on. There we go. Oh, man. Am I just gonna be traveling through TVs? Oh, that's cool. Oh. Well, that didn't really change anything. Oh, wait, I saw something. Oh, it's a winch. Oh, wait, I got it. That's why I need to open the door. Okay, it just stays. So I am literally like teleporting through them. That's cool. I like Mono's powers. Any explanation for them? No, but whatever. Gotta find 6. or get her soul back or something. Okay, and up. Another TV. I don't want to try it. I'm gonna look for another one down here, maybe. Found one, but it's not on. Oh, there's a TV clicker. Oh, do I get a remote? Oh, that's cool. And then I'm guessing I can turn it off, maybe? Interesting. That's cool. Where does that take me? Couldn't even reach it. It's really cool. So I'm guessing I'm getting to that like big tall building is like my objective. Okay, but why? Why do I want to go back here? Wait. Hey, a hat. Fun. Hat. Shut up. I need to get to a little like first before I end the episode, eh? So yeah, there's that TV. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. That should work. Oh, maybe that's why I want this, and then I can like teleport back and then... Can I grab that lamp? I guess I actually didn't try. I tried. I didn't actually try to like make it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yep. I love the little like coat hangers, zip lines. Well, now what? Shoo! Oh. I know I don't try to push the door. I should be a dick and turn it off. Oh, that's cool. Okay. And I go through. What's going on? Oh, it's certainly closed. It's like, why can't I get through? So you turn on that TV. So I'm guessing I need to teleport. Oh wait, can I just... Because she's far enough away. Oh, fuck. I thought she was still back there. I thought she was like still all the way over by the couch. So I guess she moved. So I got an idea. And here I go. So it's like kind of like the flashlight from like the hospital that like holds them down. Got it, got it. Alright, well. Ooh, right. That's the yeah. It's kinda sad. Oh, that was a dunce cow, wasn't it? I'm kinda sad I didn't get that. Alright, well. I'm gonna leave this episode here. A Little Nightmares 2. Thank you all so much for watching. I have been Flat Cat Man. I'll see you all next time.